The two cars that they launched, very, very fantastic product. Driven both, seen both. They already have 45 showrooms across India.
तब मैं अगर गाड़ी बेच रहा हूँ मेरी, सिर्फ वो पेपर वर्क लेके जाना है.
पेपर वर्क लेके जाना है. Just in case if your car breaks down in the middle of the road, it's an EV. All right. आप कितना ही उस पे कर लोगे. इतना बड़ा facility है. It actually sticks to your head. Robin, एक चीज बता मेरे को. What do you think smells better, like a fresh cup of coffee or the inside of a brand new EV factory? तेरे हिसाब से क्या होना चाहिए?
I'm guessing since you just flew back from Vietnam, this really isn't a hypothetical question.
Yeah, that is. And honestly, I mean, we were at the VinFast facility in Vietnam, and trust me, when you see something like that on that scale, I mean, इतना बड़ा facility है, it actually sticks to your head. वो मतलब it's such a huge and vast facility. You have to go there and see it to understand what exactly that thing is.
Wow. So, do one thing. Paint a picture in classic Promith storytelling style.
Okay, so let me tell you this. Imagine 1200 acres of land, all right? 1200 acre की ज़मीन है. उसमें inside the plant almost 90% of the things that are going on are automated. And not only that, we saw a very interesting thing. तो वहाँ पे जब हम लोग प्लांट के अंदर थे, what we saw is that there were AI robots, like lifts, forklifts and all, there were AI, no human intervention, nothing. वो यहाँ से वहाँ चीज़ों को लेके जा रहे हैं, and just in case if you plan to cross its way, it will stop automatically. It's completely AI based robotics. बहुत कम human intervention है, because होना ही पड़ेगा, because they have to keep a check. But other than that, it is just phenomenal, especially inside the plant. I'll tell you this, just for starters.
Okay, so I can understand why you're smiling right now. So, while you were busy at Vietnam, India has also been buzzing a lot about VinFast's commitment for India.
Yeah, so exactly, let's not go by the headlines. I'll tell you what exactly is happening and what VinFast has planned for the Indian market, because it's not a small group. The Vin group is so massive. I'll just be explaining it to you in a bit, but let's see what all it has to offer for the Indian market now.
Wow, that was crazy. You should take me there once more. I
Yeah,
need
sure,
to see that.
definitely. अब जो तुमने देख ही लिया है.
Let me just ask you a very important question, and I think this is already on everyone's mind. What do you think about VinFast commitment? Is it long term for India, especially because it has EV, so there comes a lot of stuff behind it, like software support, battery health, service, a lot of things. So what do you think about that?
Yes, definitely. VinFast is looking at a long-term investment in the Indian market, and especially I'll be talking about their plant in Tamil Nadu that they have come up with. They have spent a lot of money over there as well, and they have developed something that is really big. Not only in Vietnam, but they are planning to set their footsteps over here in the Indian market, and that is something really commendable. It's a huge commitment from their side, especially being a brand new company in India. So अब मैं तुमको बताऊंगा ये Vin Group का जो ecosystem है. Let's talk about that, all right? Because as I mentioned, they are a vast company, and Vietnam में जो हम लोगों ने जाके देखा, I'll just tell you. So if you see the investment that they have done in the Tamil Nadu plant, which is $500 million, that is a lot of money, right? And now, as you know, that वो two-wheeler और e-buses भी लाने वाले इंडिया में. And the Vin Group is not only restricted to automobile. They have, I mean, you name it, they have it. You talk healthcare, they have it. You talk homes, education. I mean, it's a proper ecosystem that they are building, and they want to do that same thing in India.
Looking at the Vin Group overall, as from a tech angle, what's the secret sauce? Like, because more than tech, more than batteries, more than data, software, the cars are more than metal, right? So what's the secret sauce behind it?
So the secret sauce behind it is the R&D facility, as you all know. I mean, there is a lot of R&D that has gone into it, and obviously a company has to do a lot of R&D, especially if you're launching a car in an environment, especially I'm talking about India, where there are multiple climates. गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है, ठंडी बहुत ज़्यादा है, there are broken roads, there are I mean, you have a mix of match on everything. So R&D is the main thing that is required, and उसके लिए they have invested so much, and इतने टाइम से R&D चल रहा है that you really need to see the products also जो वो लेकर आए हैं. There are two products. We'll just get to that. And also I'll tell you उनका जो production plant है जो वियतनाम में है, that the scale, as I told you, the scale of the plant, they had a record-breaking moment where they started the production in 21 months. मतलब उतने बड़े प्लांट को सेटअप करके उसमें से you need to, I mean it takes a lot of time, right? It definitely, but वहाँ पे they are so dedicated कि उन्होंने 21 months में they started rolling out products.
पूरा?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I'm assuming पूरा ही होगा because I think a couple of I mean still थोड़ा सा बचा होगा, but the product started I think rolling out within 21 months. So I think that's a record-breaking progress that VinFast has done.
So a few minutes back, Promit, you were talking about the Tamil Nadu factory that VinFast has come up with. Can you tell me?
The Thoothukudi plant in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Okay, so again, as I mentioned, big group, big money. So they've invested more than $500 million in the Tamil Nadu plant. And as I mentioned, मैंने plant देखा है. Been there, it looks very promising. And honestly, I mean, we are just waiting for the full plant to come in operation so that everything is sorted for them. They're going to take care of everything basically over here, is what they have told when we visited Vietnam. उन्होंने ये बोला था कि हम लोग इंडिया में आएंगे, हम लोग जैसे बोला धमाल मचाएंगे, that we say, right? And they are already doing it. $500 million, that is a lot of money, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So काफी ज़्यादा पैसा उन्होंने यहाँ डाला हुआ है, and I think as I mentioned, it definitely looks promising.
That does mean long-term commitment, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, Promit, tell me one thing. तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट के साथ एक पैक्ट साइन हुआ था. Can you elaborate more on that?
Yes, तो जो इन्होंने MOU साइन किया है with the Telangana government, it's actually a very good thing that they have done. And the Vin Group, जैसे कि मैंने बोला था, they are developing a multi-sector ecosystem हमारे यहाँ पे, not only related to cars and two-wheelers and mobility, but overall जो उनका वहाँ पे हम लोगों ने जैसे देखा था, they're trying to do something like that. And healthcare solution, education, tourism, everything will be there. Charging infrastructure is also must because obviously it's an electric company. होना चाहिए.
So you're talking a lot about ecosystem and plants सब तो है, लेकिन do you think VinFast will come up with a public transport fleet of ecosystem of the same?
Yeah, absolutely यार, क्यों नहीं होगा? See, I mean, they will be using their own fleet cars and they will create like a whole ecosystem of an electric taxi mobility that will help solve the public's transportation problem. अभी भी problem नहीं है, but I mean they'll just add on to it, so it will become easier for the public to. I think they'll create something, an ecosystem जैसे मैं बोल रहा था, वो अपने में ही कुछ ecosystem बनाएंगे, where they'll be using their own vehicles under the Green Smart Mobility program.
Oh, wow, so that does mean like better control for them, fewer dependencies,
yeah, absolutely,
and maybe a taxi revolution.
100%.
So Promit, globally VinFast already operates in two-wheelers, buses and cars as well, right?
So I'll tell you, वो जो इंडियन मार्केट में आए हैं, they set their footsteps by launching the VF6 and the VF7.
Which actually makes sense, because Indian EV car buyers are tech aware but also very cautious.
Yeah, and I'll tell you वो cautious किस लिए है. First of all, design, गाड़ी अच्छी दिखनी चाहिए. Then अच्छे के साथ you'll have performance. Performance भी अच्छा होना चाहिए. Otherwise it's just like a small car on like 4 wheels. आप यहाँ से वहाँ जा रहे हो, charge कर रहे हो. So they have performance, they have design, they have features. I mean, you name it, the car has it. And at the price that they have launched it, I think it's a package that you're getting all of this, honestly.
अच्छा, और एक चीज़ बताना, because cars, how they are. People want some kind of reliability, some kind of promise. What's the scene with after sales network here?
So I'll tell you, showroom का तो मैं अभी बताऊंगा तुम्हें, but they have a brilliant after sales service as well. So as I told you, under one ecosystem, सब कुछ एक ही जगह पे होगा तो it'll be better. So they have a very good after sales service. अब showroom की बात करते हैं. So they already have 45 showrooms across India, all right, and they are not only planning to stop over here, they are planning to get off a little more than 75 showrooms by the next, whenever they are planning to do it. So I mean the number of showrooms are more than enough. So not only that, they have tied up with big partners such as MyTVS, Castrol and also RoadGrid, and इसमें इन्होंने tie up किया है for better roadside assistance and after sales service, जिससे मैं बात कर रहा था, which is very needed because just in case if your car breaks down in the middle of the road, it's an EV, alright. आप कितना ही उस पे कर लोगे, ice engines में फिर भी लोग देख लेते हैं, but EV is technical. So I think RSA is very important, and especially for a customer's peace of mind. I think they are doing a very nice thing that they have collaborated with these brands, because at the end of the day, customer को क्या चाहिए, peace of mind चाहिए, जो ये offer कर.
It looks like VinFast isn't going to stop at cars, are they?
No. They are not. This is a very wrong impression that people have over here that वो सिर्फ गाड़ियों में ही है. जैसे मैंने बोला था, they are across everywhere, but as far as mobility goes, it's not only cars. It's related to two-wheelers, electric two-wheelers and electric buses as well. So when I visited the factory in Vietnam, वहाँ पे हम लोगों को two-wheeler EVs भी दिया गया था, but we were surprised to see electric buses. And as I was mentioning कि वो अपना खुद का एक mobility का ecosystem बनाना चाहते हैं. I think this will come very handy.
Wow.
Because उनके buses are very nice and they are going to get them to India, I think, before the two-wheelers is what I'm assuming.
Oh.
So two-wheelers तो आएगा ही, लेकिन उसके साथ electric buses भी आएंगे, and that will help solve the mobility problem. And plus, since it's EV, it's green, good for the environment. So यार याद है अभी थोड़े टाइम पहले मैंने उनका तमिलनाडु का तुतुकुड़ी प्लांट के बारे में बात किया था. So let me just tell you about the plant. जैसे मैंने बोला था कि $3 billion उन्होंने लगाया है उसमें, a lot of money, right? What they're planning to do is, it's such a big plant that उनका जो yearly output है, like as far as vehicle goes, they are planning to do about 150,000 vehicles will be rolling out every year. I mean, just imagine the scale of that, right? Like 150,000 vehicles every year. So, and सिर्फ वहीं तक limited नहीं है. I think their exports will also be dependent. Some of the things will be manufactured here जो बाहर भी जाएंगे. So, I mean, they are giving India a very big chance and they are investing a lot in that.
From that perspective, I think local manufacturing also helps with, building cars for this particular environment, basically India's
Yes.
conditions.
Correct. So localization में एक चीज़ है, why is it important? All right. I'll tell you. Indian conditions मैंने mention किया था, different weathers, है ना? कभी बहुत गर्मी है, कभी बहुत ठंडी, कभी बारिश हो रही है, पानी जम रहा है, रोड खराब है. It's a mix and match of everything.
Correct, absolutely.
So अगर वो locally उसको manufacture करेंगे, होगा ये, they'll be adapting to the Indian conditions. अब आप बाहर से कुछ लेकर आए, if you're getting something from outside, obviously it is adapted to where it is. Like if it's a cold place, so it's been run in cold environment. But over here, they get to see everything from mountains to hills to roadside to moisture to heat to, I mean, you name it, it has it. So I think localization will help in this. वो यहाँ पे बैठे बैठे they'll be able to channelize everything into one platform and I think they are producing a brilliant product. But जो यहाँ पे इंडिया में जो मैन्युफैक्चर होगा, it will be next level.
Future tech upgrades will also be easier, na? Because they don't have to start from scratch, right?
Yeah, they don't have to start from scratch. Okay, so अब मैं तुमको बताता हूँ VF6 और VF7 के बारे में. The two cars that they launched, right? Little bit about the car. Very, very fantastic product. Driven both, seen both. So I'm just telling it to you. So both actually offer a large battery pack, right? And the battery pack gives a range of about 510 kilometers, which is kind of brilliant. यहाँ पे लोगों को range anxiety रहती है, ठीक है? तो range का problem solve हो गया. अब charging की बात करते हैं. So the cars can support up to 100 kilowatt hour charger that can charge from say 10 to 70 or maybe 10 to 80% in like 15-20 minutes. आज के ज़माने में fast charger is not a problem हमारे यहाँ. You get it everywhere.
Correct.
You get super fast chargers also. You get like regular chargers as well. So I think offering a 500 kilometers of range with features, with everything, I think it's a very brilliant product and both of them share the same power unit, like the motor and the tech. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको इसमें कुछ मिल रहा है, इसमें कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. It's like VF7 is slightly bigger in size, but both of them are fast cars, feature loaded and tech loaded at the end of the day.
For you, how do you think VinFast is positioning the VF6 and the VF7 in India? But
So to answer your question, एक auto lens की तरफ से when you see it from our perspective, from an automotive journalist perspective, all right. So as I mentioned earlier, it's not ultra luxury, it's not ultra basic also. It's somewhere in between.
okay.
And I think as far as जो तुम बोले थे design is concerned, right? Because of the Torino design, तुम उस गाड़ी को यहाँ पे लाके खड़ा कर दो, overseas कहीं पे तुमने कहीं पे भी लगा दी, whether it be Milan for example, खड़ा कर दो, people will appreciate that design, and that is because it has been worked upon and globally बहुत सारा उन्होंने जो भी एडवांसमेंट किया है ताकि वो गाड़ी कहीं पे भी आप ले जाके खड़ी करो, लोग बोलेंगे अरे दिस इज समथिंग डिफरेंट दैट हिट्स द मार्केट, राइट?
अच्छा प्रमित, तो अभी तक गाड़ी में तो तुमने घुमाया नहीं है मुझे, बट यू हैव शोन मी फोटोज ऑफ द कैबिन एक्सपीरियंस. लाइक व्हाट्स इट लाइक, व्हाट आर द टेक, व्हाट आर द सॉफ्टवेयर्स दैट यू पर्सनली लाइक?
Okay, so I'll tell you a little bit about the inside also. So when you enter the cabin, first of all, everything is leather, like mix and leather. So everything is soft touch material everywhere. So that gives a premiumness to the vehicle. Any vehicle आप अगर थोड़ा बहुत leather और थोड़ा डार्क अपहोल्स्ट्री रखते हैं, it looks premium from inside, जो इन्होंने by default किया हुआ है. Apart from that, battery management system हो गई, आपकी driver's assistant features हो गया, the features that they are offering with it, like the touch screen, the way the touch screen is working, it's very smooth, it's very, I mean, trust me, there's no lag over there. हाँ, तो that is something a customer really appreciates. आप बैठे हो और आप टच स्क्रीन चला रहे हो और वो अटक रहा है, तो that's not a good experience for a customer, right? So the way you are seated in the seats are nice, the steering wheel is a chunky steering wheel, काफी अच्छा grip है, like from the dashboard to the boot, everything is sorted in the car.
अच्छा प्रोमित, यू स्पोक अबाउट द आफ्टर सेल्स नेटवर्क, लेकिन एक चीज़ और बताओ मुझे, इफ़ आई एम गोइंग टू बाय अ विनफास्ट कार, व्हाट आर द एक्स्ट्रा नाइसिटीज दैट आई एम गेटिंग, बिकॉज यू नो मुझे तो पसंद है यार, अच्छी चीज़ है, एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगी
किसको
तो
नहीं पसंद है यार, if you're getting something free or at a discount,
Yeah,
यहाँ पे
absolutely.
I mean, India is running on that, right? Who does not want a discount? So I'll tell you, first of all, as far as the customer relationship goes, they are being very patient and they are actually slowly and gradually making the customers understand कि भाई हमारी गाड़ियाँ क्यों खरीदनी चाहिए लोगों को, and वो लोग एक जल्दीबाजी में like they are in no mood of pushing it. They slowly want to get into the customer's mind and उनको बताना है उनको कि भाई हमारी गाड़ी आपको क्यों लेना चाहिए, and what are the benefits that you get. Now first of all, I'll tell you a couple of benefits that ये January 2026 1st January से इन्होंने जो they have come up with a few schemes. So it's basically a sales promotion policy that they have, right? And उसमें ये है that if you're buying any VinFast car, that is from January 2021 onwards, until अभी तक उन्होंने ये नहीं बताया ये स्कीम कब तक चलने वाली है,
Okay.
alright? Like it's just on until further notice है.
Oh.
So if you're buying a VinFast car, what do you get? First of all, you get free maintenance program. So the maintenance program basically मैंने जो बोला, so you get free service. Free service में you get 3 years or 36,000 kilometers. जो भी आप पहले कर लो, 36,000 किलोमीटर आपने पहले कर लिए, that program gets over, or you like within 3 years you can use it anytime. Now apart from that, अब ये तो पहला तुमको एडवांटेज मिलने वाला है. अब दूसरा एडवांटेज, यू आर गेटिंग सम कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री गिफ्ट. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री गिफ्ट किसको नहीं पसंद यार. अब ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री पता है क्या दे रहे हैं? दे आर गिविंग अ पोर्टेबल चार्जर.
Oh.
Like some brands you get like a small charger जो EV के साथ देते हैं, but they are giving like a decent amount of charger जिसमें आपको थोड़ा सा पे करना पड़ता है.
Okay.
तो वो भी complimentary. That is again from January 1st 2026. Apart from that, then जो panoramic sunroof है अंदर गाड़ी में, alright. अब now that sunroof does not have a shade, so they're giving a curtain for that, जो आपको additionally खरीदना पड़ेगा बाद में जाके, because
Okay.
यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है, right?
Mm-hmm.
खुला रहेगा तो
Sun,
you'll burn yourself or maybe it'll become heated inside the car.
Correct.
So complimentary वो चीज़ दे रहे हैं.
अच्छा प्रोमित, टेल मी वन मोर थिंग, अब मेरे पास एक आइस व्हीकल खड़ी है एंड आई वांट टू शिफ्ट टू एन ईवी, व्हाट बेनिफिट्स एम आई गेटिंग इफ आई गो फॉर अ विनफास्ट?
ओके, सो अंडर द प्रोग्राम जो मैं बात कर रहा था, उनका एक और स्कीम है विच आई थिंक इज वेरी गुड एंड वो काम आने वाला है लोगों को एंड पीपल विल बी अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स इट. तो अगर आपके पास एक आइस व्हीकल है, पेट्रोल हो, डीजल हो, कुछ भी हो, आप उसको कहीं पे भी जाके बेच सकते हो. यू कैन गो एंड सेल इट एनीवेयर. आपने वो बेचा, आफ्टर सेलिंग इट ओवर देयर यू विल गेट like a seller's note कि आपने वो vehicle बेची है. And if you're going to buy a VinFast vehicle after that, you just show that proof कि आपने वो अपनी ICE vehicle बेच दी है. Immediately they will give you on the VF6, on all the 3 variants, they will give you a 95,000 rupee का discount. And not only that, in the VF7 you'll get a 1,30,000 का discount. So imagine आपके पास एक ICE vehicle है, आप पेट्रोल में शिफ्ट करना चाहते हैं, आपने उस vehicle को कहीं पे भी जाके बेचा, and when you come and show the proof that you've sold it, well obviously when you're buying a VinFast vehicle, they will give you a discount. Now how cool is that? अब आप ये बताओ.
That
Like,
is,
I've not heard of this program
Yeah,
anywhere.
same.
Like either it's a buyback where you sell the vehicle to the company and they give you the new product, but इसमें they have said you can sell it anywhere. Just show us the proof, they'll give you the discount.
वाओ दैट्स गुड यार. तो मतलब मैं अगर गाड़ी बेच रहा हूँ मेरी, सिर्फ वो पेपर वर्क लेके जाना है,
पेपर वर्क लेके जाना.
विनफास्ट बोल देगा ये लो तुम्हारे डिस्काउंट.
डिस्काउंट डिपेंड ऑन कौन सा वेरिएंट खरीदे हो. अगेन VF6 पे 95,000 ऑफ है एंड VF7 पे 1,30,000.
दैट्स वेरी गुड. दैट मींस इजीली हम शिफ्ट करना चाहते हो तो
that's easy, like a lakh rupee and a lakh and a half rupee discount जो आपको immediately मिल रहा है if you're shifting from ICE to EV.
हाँ, अगर लोग वेरिएंट्स के बीच में 1 लाख के बीच में देखते इतना गैप है, सोचते कि नहीं लूंगा मैं ये,
कि लाख रुपए बचा ले, यहाँ पे लाख रुपए
मैं
ऐसे ही बच
save
रहे,
हो
लाख
रहा है.
रुपए के ऊपर बच रहा है. So I
दैट्स
think
गुड.
that's a very good scheme. Sum this entire thing up. Let me tell you. First of all, ecosystem. They are planning to build that ecosystem, which is, I think, in my books, it's a very good thing. Having education, home, your healthcare, your automobile, everything under one roof. All right. आज तक किसी manufacturer ने ऐसा नहीं किया है. So they are doing it very good thing. Then building customer trust is what VinFast is trying to do, and they are doing good with स्कीम्स लाइक दीज जो मैंने बात किया, ठीक है, कौन ऑफर कर रहा है? कोई नहीं ऑफर कर रहा है। एंड उनका जो इतना बड़ा प्लांट, इतना सारा उन्होंने पैसा डाला है उसमें, आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी वेरी गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर अ कंपनी लाइक दिस। एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर इन द ईवी सेगमेंट, ऑलराइट, आइस तो भाई हर कोई बना रहा है,
करेक्ट,
व्हेन यू आर इन द ईवी सेगमेंट you have to be a little careful of how you take a step, because अभी भी वो EV adoption चल रहा है लोगों के अंदर, and VinFast is making sure that वो process अच्छे से हो जाए। So not only automobile, but in future you will see like the bigger picture, like you'll have healthcare, you'll have automobile तो है ही है, then you'll have education, and the list just goes on. So I think what they are doing is a brilliant thing, getting something that they have already established in their country to a different country. A very good move from them. यार कॉफी खत्म हो गई है, wanna get one more cup?
वियतनाम से लाएगा?
वियतनाम से लेकर आया, चलना।
हाँ, फिर तो ठीक है, फिर तो पीऊंगा मैं।